Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for the S&P 500 for Wednesday, May the 20th. Well, an interesting day today, and the outstanding feature of today's trading is the long shadow or the wick on the top of this candle. And as we've seen over the last few weeks, that represents price rejection. And we can see how the market traded up to this area of resistance and was sold off. So what's happening is that the buyers are trying to push the market up. They're trying very hard to take out this resistance area and they're failing. The sellers come in and the sellers are in the ascendancy. The market closed down near the low for the day, which means that the sellers gained control of the market by the close and they're showing some sort of commitment. Now if we look at in bar chart terms, this is also an outside day, which is a day of indecision in the market. It's certainly not good for the bulls. The bulls were trying to push the market up here because we had a first time frame uptrend, and now we have a lot of doubt about the trend at the moment. The trend is still technically up because we don't have a lower high and a lower low, but it certainly doesn't look very good. Now, it looks like the scenario that we were talking about over the last few days, that there could be a potential lower swing high here, and danger for us to take out this swing low. If we do take out this swing low in a downtrend from this position, then we will have a second time frame downtrend. We had a first time frame downtrend all the way up here from this major low. So a very large change of character in the market potentially, but it's not over yet. As I said, the first time frame trend is still up. Now, interestingly, if we look at our Ichimoku indicators, both of these lines are still flat, which means that the market lacks direction. So we don't have any downside direction at the moment to this market. What we have is congestion. And the market is trading around both of these lines. So what happens is that the market moves from equilibrium to disequilibrium. The market was in a disequilibrium around these levels, and now the market is coming back to this level, which means that we're in equilibrium. And I'd say chances are that the market will trade back down towards the Kijun Sen. Now we're still trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, which is positive for us. The market still has a bullish bias to it, and the Tenkan Sen is still on top of the Kijun Sen, but now we've closed just down below the Tenkan Sen. Now potentially the Tenkan Sen could act as support, but the way that this market's been reacting around this resistance level with this very strong price rejection suggests that even if we do trade up here, we'll have to do a lot of work to trade up through this resistance. So very strong potential for a new first time frame downtrend, and then later over the next week or so, potential for a new second time frame downtrend. But we need to watch the low of the current candle. If that's taken out, then we might retrace back down to this level.